No, don't bite his ear. No, let her play. Is Michael stuck? Is Michael stuck? Does Michael need out? I know, but you're squishing Samantha. Let Samantha play for a minute. No, let Samantha play for a minute, Michael. Wait. Watch Samantha. Look how silly Samantha is. Look how silly she is. Leave the door open. No, don't push. No, Michael.